Now, the Judicial Service Commission will commence interviews for those eyeing the position of judge of the Supreme Court Monday. Well, this after the Court of Appeal overturned a High Court decision that had suspended the recruitment process. Well, the panel will interview 2 candidates on Monday and Tuesday and 3 on Wednesday. First to face the panel will be Justice SAID CHITEMBWE and Justice MARETE NJAGI. Chemutai, go in with more.
Only 7 of the 9 applicants who had expressed interest in the vacant spot on the Supreme Court bench will face the JSC vetting panel. 2 who will not appear are nominee for the Chief Justice position, Martha Koome, and Judge Kathurima, who withdrew his candidature following the nomination of Koome, who comes from the same ethnic background as him. Part of the key considerations the panel looks at while identifying suitable candidates include ethnic and regional balance. The 3-day schedule will see Justice SAID CHITEMBWE and Justice MARETE NJAGI face the panel on Monday at 9 a.m. and 11 a.m. respectively. On Tuesday, Justice NDUMA NDERI and Dr. Patrick Lumumba will plead their case also at 9 a.m. and 11 a.m. respectively. On the 3rd and final day, it will be the turn of Court of Appeal President Justice William Ouko, Justice Joseph Sergon, and Ms. Alice Yano, who will be interviewed at 9 a.m., 11 a.m. and 12:30 p.m. respectively. Justice SAID CHITEMBWE, who was the first to face the panel in the concluded Chief Justice interviews, came under fire for some of the decisions he made, particularly one touching on the Sexual Offences Act. He boasts of 29 years in the legal profession.
Know that I have no mental issues.
Justice MARETE NJAGI, who was also vetted for the Chief Justice position, surprised the panel when he dismissed claims that the judiciary lacked independence, however stating that corruption was a key challenge in the third arm of government. He boasts of an aggregate 35 years in the legal profession and is currently judge of the Employment and Labour Relations Court in Nyeri. Justice NDUMA NDERI, also serving in the Employment and Labour Relations Court in Nairobi, also made a stab at replacing Maraga. He believes he has the antidote to resolve the strained relations between the judiciary and the executive, and also pledged to look at the issue of promotions for judiciary staff. Dr. Patrick Lumumba, who prides in 30 years in the legal profession, is currently serving at the International Center for Environment, Social and Policy Studies as the country director. Also set to appear before the JSC panel is Court of Appeal President Justice William Ouko, who besides priding himself in a long-standing career in the legal profession spanning 33 years, will also hope his tenure at the Apex Court will propel him to the highest court in the land. Justice Joseph Sergon, currently serving as High Court Judge, will face the panel Wednesday. He was once sacked over claims of corruption, but he was reinstated in 2013. He has a 29-year-old career in the legal profession. The JSC will wind up its interviews with Ms. Alice Yano, who was also vetted in her attempt to be the first female Chief Justice of Kenya. She, however, seemingly had a difficult time responding to some of the questions posed. She vowed to use her skills to transform the judiciary. The position of Supreme Court judge fell vacant following the retirement of Justice Jackton Ojwang. Once the JSC compiles its report, it will submit to the President the name of the nominee for the onward transmission to Parliament for vetting. Chemutai Goin, Citizen TV.